of the biggest questions we get year round is how to improve the efficiency in your home. So people come in, they always tell us they got an old drafty wood burning fireplace that they never use. All it does is like cold air into the rooms. Sometimes when I go to people's houses, I literally see their fireplace filled with candles. You need a gas insert. Gas inserts are one of the fastest ways to improve the efficiency in the way that you heat your home. I'm gonna tell you why today. Today I'm showing you the Marquis Capri gas insert. This is one of our newer gas inserts that we have in the showroom. I'm gonna talk to you about when you would install a gas insert, what you'd use it for, what the benefits are of using a gas insert, and specifically, what are some nice features specifically going on with the Capri model that makes it an attractive purchase. All right, so this is our insert category or insert section within the showroom. Now, what is a gas insert? So just to clarify some confusion, most people think if they're doing new construction and they're inserting a fireplace into a 2x4 construction, that's called an insert. That is actually not true. Those are direct vent gas fireplaces. What an insert is an insert is gonna be literally inserted into like an old masonry or existing wood burning fireplace that you are converting to gas. Now, what are the benefits of doing something like this? Well, one, if you have an old wood burner that's inoperable or you don't really use it too much, or you just don't like wood burning, you don't like the cold draft, this gives you the option of the nice, easy convenience of a gas fireplace with remote control options, thermostat options, which I'll get into in a minute. So one, you get a nice functionality upgrade. Second, visually, maybe that old fireplace goes away. So now you have this more attractive, like sealed type look. But really the biggest advantage with any gas insert is going to be performance. So all gas inserts predominantly are made to heat, unlike some new construction fireplaces that are more for looks. These are always like meant to perform. So it uses ceramic glass. So this has ceramic glass on the front of it. And you can feel the heat coming off of this, right, Alex?
Oh yeah, it's hot.
Yeah, it's definitely cooking. In reality, what this is it's a sealed firebox. We got two aluminum tubes, right? So one is a 3-inch exhaust and the other's 3-inch fresh air. So it's gonna utilize oxygen from outside the home for combustion. So you're not using any room air. So it's not gonna affect any of the room air in the room. So that helps with efficiency. And then it's gonna exhaust through your chimney system, and those are gonna run through the existing chimney. So it's pulling all of its own fresh air from outside, heating it up, dumping heat into your house. So it's a huge performance upgrade more than anything. That's what you'd want with a good gas insert, is performance. And that's gonna seal off that old drafty fireplace and start radiating a ton of heat into the room. If you're shopping for a gas insert and trying to figure out how to make your home more efficient, don't forget, give us first stab at the business. If you're learning a lot from these videos, you can help us out a ton. Now, this is available in a couple sizes. They're unique in the fact that they have 3 sizes, but usually it's small and large, or medium and large, I should say. Usually the mediums go in like a old metal firebox, and then the larges usually fit into like an old, real brick fireplace. Usually you can get a large size in there. It does come in 3 sizes, and then it comes with different functionality features. This is the most upgraded, like with the largest remote system. You can see it's definitely cooking in here. It's at 78 degrees. This is the ProFlame 2 remote control. So this is a thermostat feature. So we can see, I just set it in thermostat mode and it kicked off. So you can turn that temperature up or down. You never probably want your thermostat set at 42. Let's kick it up here. There it goes. Now what's really cool is wherever this is sitting is where it's gonna read. So if you were to put this on the end of your couch while you're sitting on the couch watching TV, that's where it's gonna be controlled. So that's where so this is almost like a portable thermostat, which is really, really cool. Now, if you don't want it in thermostat mode, there's also a smart mode. Smart mode is gonna auto-modulate the flame. So again, that goes back to efficiency. If you think about a furnace, if you were to heat with a furnace, especially an older one, you're like 100,000, 150,000 BTUs, and it's full blast or off, and they don't run efficiently until they get going. And once they get going, it's time for them to shut off. With a gas insert, you could be using as little as like 10,000 BTUs, and it's actually radiating instant heat transfer into your living room. So it's extremely valuable from a heat standpoint. And even if I shut this off, like let me shut this off right now. Now I'm using 0 fuel. It's gonna pump heat off this glass for like another 30 minutes. How do you measure that efficiency? You're using 0 fuel while still getting heat into your room. Seems like a no-brainer to me to put in a gas insert. if you have an old drafty fireplace, I promise you want a gas insert. So we got thermostat mode. We have night lights in here. We have a dual burner system in the ProFlame 2, so we can control the front and back burner. Now we can put it out of thermostat mode and then just turn the flame down itself if we want to. And then it does have a blower pre-installed. Now, all this heat you're feeling is predominantly just radiantly. So I always tell people blowers do not actually increase heat output, in my opinion, but they do help transfer heat faster throughout the home. That's really all a blower is doing. It doesn't give you extra heat. I guess it could capture a little heat off the back, but we got 6 blower settings and it's relatively quiet. And you can see I'm at, oh, it's just right in the eyeballs. You're never gonna have a gas insert installed this high. This is just for our showroom sake. But that's where it's gonna blow out, right out of this cavity here. And that is like, I've never felt a furnace vent that hot.
Yeah, it's cooking.
Yeah, that's the real deal right there. It does come standard with the safety screen. That's a hot safety screen though. Anyways, that's a little protection there for the young ones. That's the remote control system. I think you can upgrade to Wi-Fi on this too. What I typically see is people are buying gas inserts. I would say the majority of the time are buying them for performance. And a little helpful tip is they all perform really well. Some perform better than others. I will tell you, just standing in front of this is one of the better physical heaters that we have in the store. So this one, that's my scientific way of telling you. This is how good I can tell if fireplace heat's good or not, how fast my face melts. This one heats well. I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna rank it up there pretty high. Just kidding. But I'm sure there's technically an efficiency rating. I'm just telling you, as a guy that's been selling these for 18 years, this thing is definitely heating better than most. Aesthetics. This is like the most traditional way we have it set up. They're like sort of the rustic bricks and like the traditional oak logs. What's really cool and unique about them is you can do different combinations, probably more so than most brands. We can do like a really contemporary glass burner if you want, with like black reflective panels, make it super modern. We could sort of do a hybrid combo like beechwood or river rocks with different panel options so that you can dress this up to fit your decor, whatever you want. If you're trying to figure out how to make your living room more efficient or your home more efficient and you have an old hole in the living room called the old fireplace, definitely consider a gas insert. So there's the Capri insert by Marquis. It's one of the more premium inserts that we sell in the showroom here. See you guys next time.